Hi, so a customer just brought this car down. He's got a fault with the car. While he's driving, the battery light just stays on continuously. So he just brought it around for me to diagnose the fault and give him a price. So the first thing I'm going to do is check the alternator belt. Well, his power steering and everything's fine, so I'm going to check it anyway. Then I'm going to just check the voltage of the battery when it's off and while it's running. Okay. So I'm assuming it's more than likely the alternator, but just checking the alternator belt, everything's fine, it's not worn out. Okay, that's fine. Let me just check the battery voltage. Okay, I'm going to check it when it's off, and then I'm going to check it when the car's running. So anything over 12.50 would be fine for a battery. So let's just see what's going on. Okay. Negative connected, positive. That's perfect. It's a good battery. So it's at 13.3 voltage, which is more than fine. Okay, now I want to see what happens when the car's running. Okay, so I've just started the car. It should be charging at over 14 volts. 14.50 is more than average, around there. So let's see what's the story. Yep, it's definitely the alternator. Yeah, it's like an intermittent fault or something. I don't know why is it going up and down, fluctuating. Yeah, it's definitely got an issue with the alternator. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to turn the car off now and check the voltage again after it's off. Okay, I've just turned the car off. That was weird. It was just like intermittently going up and down, fluctuating the voltage. So yeah, let me just see what it is again. So connect that. Yeah, it's definitely the alternator. Battery's got no issue because it's over 12.50 volt. So yeah. Now I'm just going to try and find the issue with the alternator, because that's really a bit unusual. Normally it would just be charging at around 12 volt, but this is like fluctuating up and down. It must be a connection or a wire issue, but let me just check it out. So this is the alternator. First thing to check, make sure these wirings are all fine, make sure there's no broken wiring. Okay, what I'm going to do, I'm going to take the plug out. Now, I'm just guessing this. These Ford cars have got so many fucking problems with plugs. I'm going to pull this plug out, and I'm assuming there's a problem in there. Okay, so you push it in there, you push it like that in there, and then pull it at the same time. You need a screwdriver, which I've just done, and pull it out. Let's see if there's any issues with it. Yep, there it is. It's corroded. Let's see what's going on in there. Yep. So I'm going to need another plug. You can buy, I think I've got one actually spare, because I bought about 3 or 4 in the past 10 years. I think I'll see if I've got a spare one, and you can cut it there and just connect them back up, and you'll have a new plug. I'll need to order a second-hand alternator. So what I'll do, I'll get that number off it, go on to eBay or Part Finder or something, give them the code, see if anyone's got this old alternator. Just make sure it's the same volt, and this is 80 amp. Make sure it's all the same, 80 amp, that's the main thing. Yeah, so I luckily found one. I knew I had one in stock because I ordered a few years ago. So I'm going to connect this up. In the meanwhile, I'm going to look for a second-hand alternator, because the customer ain't going to spend for a brand new alternator. I can pick one up for maybe £30 or something like that and fix it and the job done. Okay, so there it is. I just thought I'd make the video just to diagnose, see what's up. Okay, thanks for watching.